Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and this is Urvish and in today's video I'm going to talk about a practical guide on usability testing, and in this video I will talk about some of the steps that you can take while carrying out the usability testing. So without any further delay, let's get started. As you know, usability testing is a very crucial step of UX design process, which helps us in determining our product issues and how we can solve it. So first step in usability testing is defining your objectives. So first of all, what you have to do is define your objectives. Like, why are you doing this usability testing? What specific questions do you want to ask your users, and why you want to ask them? So what features or what products are you targeting with your usability testing? So first of all, what you have to do is determine your objectives. Like, why are you doing it? What specific question do you want your answer to? So first of all, define your objectives clearly so that you have a clear roadmap on how you are going to do that usability testing. Then after this, second step is identify target users. So it's like you define your target users while creating your product. You have to identify your target users on usability testing as well. So always remember, while determining your target users, you should take all those user groups that you have taken while determining your target users when you are designing a product. So second step is identify your target users. The target users will the target users that you are identifying should align with your product. So you have to remember this. While determining your target user, they should align with your product. The target user should be the one that you have defined in your early stage when you were when you are started designing your product. So this is the second step. Identify target users. Then third step is create scenarios and tasks. In this, what you have to do is you have to determine the scenarios that you will give your users to solve the task you want them to do. You have to define that. You have to create some scenarios from which you can get your answers. So third step is create scenarios and tasks that you will give to your user to do and get your answers from. Okay. Now the fourth step would be to choose the testing method. So I will take only two testing method here to explain you. First is moderated usability testing. In this, a facilitator guides user through their task and help them on solving that. Like, they will guide them, like how to solve this task, how to approach this particular scenario. So this is a moderated usability testing in which there will be a facilitator who will guide the user throughout the task they will do. And second one is unmoderated usability testing. In this, users will perform their task independently. There will be no facilitator and they will do their task independently, and their performance or their participation will be recorded. So fourth step is choose your usability testing method. Now fifth step is recruit participants. Now what you have to do is you have to recruit the users or recruit the participants that matches your user profile. And also what you have to do is you have to remember, depending on your resources, you can recruit 5 to 10 participants and get your answers from them. If you recruit 5 participants, then it's enough, I guess. Or you can just recruit 5 to 10 participants so that you can get various answers from them. And also you have to remember to keep diversity in terms of gender, age, experience and background. So fifth step is recruit participants. So this is the fifth step in which you will recruit the participants depending on the user profile, and also remember to ensure the diversity in terms of gender, age, experience and background. Now in sixth step, what you have to do is you have to prepare the usability testing materials like tasks, scenarios that you have defined in the very beginning. You have to make them ready. Maybe you have prepared some mock-ups for them to perform a task, or maybe you have some forms to fill in. So you have to prepare them before usability testing. After this, the seventh step would be to conduct the testing. Conduct the usability testing, in which you can provide participants with a guide like how you will conduct your testing, and also guide them throughout the task they have to do, or you can keep it unmoderated, in which there will be no facilitator and you will provide them the guide. They will read it and carry out their task, and you will record their participation. So that's how you will conduct the testing. After this, what you have to do is gather the data. So you can collect both qualitative and quantitative data during the testing. This can include observations, user comments, like how they are performing the task. You have to observe them, like how they are doing it and what are the problems they are facing. So what you have to do is you have to gather the data from users by asking them questions, and by their comments, like how they are doing their task and where they are finding difficulties. You have to note it down. So you have to observe them. Now that you have all the data with you, you have to document your findings. All the insights that you have got from the answers of the users while usability testing, you can document them and use them to prioritize the improvements in your product. So this is the last step. Document your findings and prioritize the improvements in your product. I hope you all guys enjoyed this video and find it helpful, and if you did, then do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button, and do not forget to follow me on Instagram. Link is in the description, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye.